Looking for amazing flavors that you will not find from your regular pizza chain store? Then this pizza recipe is for you. Start by making the sauce. All you need is 2 cups of tomato sauce, olive oil, some fresh parsley. Just saute the garlic cloves and then add your tomato sauce, fresh basil, brown sugar, and here you have your tomato sauce. You can get some flatbreads from any of your regular grocery stores. So using that flatbread or whatever pizza dough that you would like, go ahead and add the cheese. As you can see, I am not shy with adding cheese. I love my pizza fairly cheesy. I add both yellow and white cheese. All you need is about 2 cups of both. As for the meat, it's truly up to you. So it is not added to the recipe only because we want you to come up with any crazy ideas you have, or you can simply have it with just the cheese. For this recipe, I added a 1/4 pound of smoked turkey breast. I had it shredded and I even shredded it some more. So we just added that for the smoked pizza. But like I said, it's truly up to you. And a little bit of fresh basil for the flavor. Now for the smoker, we did oak wood because we wanted that oak flavor, which works great. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment. See you in the next one.